Welcome to Rockaway Beach in the borough of Queens, New York City. And here is a look at Rockaway Beach. Here is Secret Boulevard at Beach 9th Street, which is how I arrived. If you keep heading down Beach 9 over to Hicksville Avenue, that'll bring you to the A train, which is how I got here today to the last stop. Now, here is the Atlantic Beach Bridge, which will bring you to the barrier island of Long Beach. Now, let's not get Secret Boulevard confused with Secret Avenue. If you wanted to walk over to the bridge to get to Long Beach Barrier Island, you would take Secret Avenue. Now, here is a quick walk of Rockaway Beach. Now, as well, I told you that I took the A train to the last stop, which is $2.75 to get here all the way from the Empire State Building. But if you were looking for that Rockaway Beach sign, you can also take the Q14 bus. And again, the stop is really that close. Now let's walk over to the water and these balcony homes here in the Rockaways. Do have waterside views. Speaking of the Rockaways, I do have my local attire on, celebrating the borough of Queens. The Rockaways does encompass more than one community. We're at the tail end or the beginning of the Rockaways, which would be Rockaway Beach, but you can head all the way over down the boardwalk to Jacob Riis Park. And if you kept going even further, you reach a beautiful viewpoint known as Breezy Point. And from Breezy Point, you can indeed see Coney Island, Brooklyn. It's quite magical and beautiful. Now here is the boardwalk for you to start walking, but I wanted to walk over waterside because you could see the bridge to Long Beach Barrier Island from there, as well as you can see Rockaway Beach, made famous for its beautiful views, but also in the New York band, the Ramones. They had a song you may be familiar with. The lyrics are very similar to this sign right here. I'll wait till I get closer and share that with you. That song would be Rock, Rock, Rockaway Beach. Operating hours from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. in the boardwalk until 10 p.m. Now the boardwalk is back in this direction. Now let's take a quick look as we have arrived on the beach at Rockaway Beach. The infamous location has been unveiled, and I must admit it's great to be back. Was here just last weekend wanting to explore Rockaway Beach and the Rockaways, but then I found myself over on this bridge here, and this would be the Atlantic Bridge. Absolutely free pedestrian walkway, and it'll bring you over to Long Beach Barrier Island. Now this side of the bridge would be Lawrence, Nassau County, New York, and once you got over there, that's when you would be on Long Beach Barrier Island. Now let's walk over a little bit more and see some of Rockaway Beach. Now I'm going to continue my walk past the beautiful Rockaway Beach and head back to the Jacob Riis Park. I think when I looked it up, it was about a 5-mile boardwalk and then 7 birds fishing as well. This must be the area. And then when I walked over that bridge to Long Beach Barrier Island, that is a 9.5-mile long barrier island. Now this, where we are right now, is connected to Long Island, which is back there. That would, over that side of the bridge, would be the community of Lawrence. Where we are right now is not called Rockaway Island because it is indeed a peninsula. It is not surrounded by water on all sides. It is connected to Long Island and only surrounded by water on 3 sides, and it is part of New York City, and there is the flag of New York City right there. just to get the geographical aspect out of the way. Now when I'm going to walk back over towards Jacob Riis Park, I will not be coming back in this direction to catch the A train, because there I will be taking the bus, which will bring me over, I believe it is, to the 2 train over by Brooklyn College. Borough hopping to get to the beach started in Manhattan, drove through Brooklyn on the train, and then transferred over here to a local in Queens. Now, you can do it all in one route, but there was construction. But the whole thing was on the A train. But when I say I transferred to the A train bus because of construction. And that is a quick view of Rockaway Beach in the borough of Queens. Now, off to a boardwalk walk at sunset in the borough of Queens. Till next time, welcome to the Rockaways.